Let's introduce the operation of the leakage tracking test equipment. Turn on the power supply. Step 1. Prepare the test solution according to the standard requirements. Place the solution inside the test chamber. Step 2. Adjust the drip value. The standard requires 1 drop every 35 seconds. Switch dripping regulation from off to on. Set the dripping time setting to the maximum value, and the dripping interval time setting to the minimum value. At the same time, increase the adjustment setting on the metering pump. This allows the air in the tubing to be purged quickly until the solution drips steadily from the needle. After purging the pipeline, reduce the flow rate of the micro pump. Set the dripping interval time setting to 25 south and the dripping time setting to 5 south. Observe whether the drip frequency is 1 drop every 30 seconds. If the number of drops is incorrect, adjust it using the metering pump control knob. Ensure that exactly 50 drops are delivered within 24.52 minutes. Step 3. Adjust the distance between the drip needle and the specimen using the gauge. Lower the drip needle by rotating the adjustment nut, or fine-tune the distance by rotating the turntable. Ensure the height is within 35.5 mm. Step 4. Adjust the electrode spacing. First, lower one electrode. Place the 4 mm gauge firmly against the electrode. Then lower the other electrode and check the spacing between them. If the spacing is greater than 4 mm, loosen the 2 fixing screws and adjust the electrode distance. Once the correct spacing is achieved, tighten the screws and remove the gauge. Move the electrode away. Step 5. Adjust the electrode pressure. First, lower one electrode. Observe the pressure display value. If the value is below 1 north, rotate the brass counterweight toward the needle, until the reading reaches or closely approaches 1 N. Then lower the other electrode. Adjust its brass counterweight in the same way until the total force reading reaches 2 N. Step 6. Adjust the voltage and current. First, rotate the voltage and current adjustment knobs fully counterclockwise to the minimum position. Press the current debug off to on. The electrodes is in a short circuit condition. Rotate the voltage selection switch to the required voltage range. Adjust the voltage regulation knob until the voltage is slightly higher than the required test voltage. Next, rotate the current regulation knob until the current display value is close to 1A. Then rotate the current minitrim knob to accurately set the current to 1A. If the current exceeds 1.1A, the equipment will automatically stop and trigger an alarm. Enter the alarm interface, press the alarm clear. Step 7. Set the quantity setting to 50 or 100 according to the applicable standard. Then press the reset button. Step 8. Close the observation door and turn on the light and fan. Press the start button to begin the test. After the test is completed, the system will stop automatically.